Kia ora. Let's look at the letter T. The pronunciation depends on which vowel is after it. So in the case of these two red circled ones, it's more of a T sound. So this is T and tu. And in these ones, it's more of a flat sound. Ta, te, to. If you watch that video again and see the change in what my mouth is doing, you'll get the sound and listen as well. So here's a word that you can look at for practicing the two in the same word. Tahi means one, so that's the flat one, tahi. If we want to say first, we just add to the front of tahi, tua. So that's tua tahi. So you could have a little practice of that, but I don't want you to be worried or concerned because it's not something that as a beginner you need to be thinking about. Just say whichever way the T comes out of your mouth, that's all good. Just remember it for the future. Ka kite.